Hello my friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. When I work with singers, one of the biggest challenges is to get them to relax into the singing. Through guided vocal warm-ups, we can experiment with both releasing tension and figuring out where we need a little bit more support to sing our best. Since we'll be focusing on relaxation today, let's take a few extra moments with alignment, relaxation, and breath. Whether you're sitting or standing, stack up your skeleton so it's what's supporting you. We're looking for balance. Then your muscles can be freed up to do other things. Take a moment to roll and release your shoulders and neck. Let your jaw go slack. You can even slightly stick out your tongue to release tension there as well. As we get into our relaxing vocal warm-ups for singers, take a low, natural breath and release it with a yah, 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 yah. Do it again, relaxing the jaw. Yah, 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 yah. You can even gently roll your head forward one more time. Yah, 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 yah. Focusing still on releasing the jaw, now let's put tone to this and sing yah, yah, yah. Here we go. Yah, yah, yah. Moving on now to a gentle lip trill. Let's sing. Now if that lip trill doesn't work for you, you can try a v or a zh. Here we go. Back to the idea of releasing tension in the jaw with gentle movement. Let's sing on yah, 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 like yah, 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 yah. So we're releasing tension in the jaw and the tongue. Here we go. Yah, 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 yah. Yah, 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 yah. Yah, 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 yah. Moving to a very rounded ooh sound. Just use the tip of the tongue as we sing loo loo loo, like loo 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 loo, and go loo 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 loo. This next vocal warm-up allows the mouth to remain quite neutral while encouraging a great balance of brightness and resonance. We can sing on viddy, viddy, viddy. It sounds like this. Viddy, 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 viddy. 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 Now let's sing on go, 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 like go, 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 go. This exercise encourages good coordination with a relaxed larynx position. Be mindful of tension as you go. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Let's sigh down. One of my favorite exercises to check for a relaxed and open throat is ho-ah-yah-oh, like ho-ah-yah-oh. Here we go. Ho-ah-yah-oh. Checking in with our jaw again, let's sing on fa-e. We want a very, very gentle and easy chewing motion on this, like fa-e-i-i-i-i. Here we go. Fa-e-i-i-i-i. 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 This next exercise encourages similar relaxation with a bit more range. It also starts the tongue in a very neutral and out of the way position. We're going to sing on though, ah. It sounds like this. work to engage the breath while keeping our neck and jaw and shoulders free and easy. Let's sing on Zila Zela Za, like Zila Zela Za. Here we go. Zila Zela Za. 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 Thank you so much for singing with me today. If you're enjoying my videos, I hope you'll like and subscribe and send them to a friend, because it really does help my channel reach more people, and can't we all use a little bit more singing? I'll see you next time.